Well, hi everyone, welcome back. Just a little quickie update here. We've actually moved the potatoes now out into the greenhouse, and they seem to be doing really well. Lots of chits on them, nice strong units, and let's just be sort of showing what's growing at the moment. Now we've got lots of greyhound cabbage, broccoli, curly cow and Nero cow. They're growing really well. This is dahlia, would you believe? This is called Boogie Night, sort of a dark mauve and white fleck type thing. Now they're growing really well, they are. As you can see, the garlic's coming up. 2 or 3 different types of garlic, as you can see they're sprouting away well there, as are the shallots. Now look at them, look, romping away they are, really doing really well. So that's good. Bit more garlic there. Not a lot of movement on the dahlias at the moment. The onions, well actually I had a few suggestions on how to get rid of the green fly, and I basically ended up with just a soapy water solution, and as you can see there's nothing left on them at all now, and they're doing really well. So the fact that the actual roots are coming through the bottom of the pot now, which is good, so I might have to think about putting them on shortly. I did notice there's a few little slug trails around underneath them. The sweet peas are doing okay there, as are the melons and the runner beans. They're all doing well. Underneath here we've got coriander and peppers and stuff like that. That's okay. Nothing growing in that tray yet. A mixture of bean seeds, all sorts. Not just one's decided to germinate so far, but the others will be along shortly. These are peas. They're sort of going mad in there at the moment. Climbing French beans, there's just one germinated. Nothing on the red barren onions yet, but it's still early days. And down below we've got lots of peppers, sweet peppers and hot peppers, more peppers, lots of peppers down there. We'll just move more beans. I can't actually see because we're sort of low down. Just take it off my hand. There we go. So we've got more beans growing there. This one's doing really well. What we've got here, the lettuces. Well, lettuces always, they do grow quite well, lettuces, don't they? That's not too bad. Multi-head, more cabbages and broccolis. These are not pumpkins, what they call them, squashes. Nothing to come up there yet. More beans, just one just started there, that's coming on, and basically lots and lots of stuff growing at the moment. And obviously some more lettuce in that one there. And look at that, there's a, what is that? Courgette growing there, I think, that one. There we go. Strange, one up already, and the others haven't even started, but they will be along shortly. Anyway, so lots coming on in the greenhouse here, and there's still more seeds being planted indoors. But as you can see, everything seems to be growing quite well, and it's really itching to get out, but the weather's not really quite warm enough yet. So, quick update. See you in the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye now.